Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen here to give you the most delicious recipes. Today I'm back with another recipe that is rangha bisap recipe, and this is the original Jola recipe. Over here we have some sorrel, okay, that is bisap, and some okra. So we're going to boil this and blend it, okay. If you don't know how to do this, please I'll refer you to my kaldu video. You can have a look at that, and I showed how this can be boiled and pounded or blended, okay. Here we have some fish, okay. So I have like 4 red snappers and 2 bonga fish in this bowl that are already cleaned and salted. And for our pounded ingredients, we have 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, light tomatoes, fresh ones, and we have habanero pepper, 2 Maggi seasoning, and also 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. So these are the ingredients that we're going to blend. We also have locust bean to blend, but that is not going to be blended with this ingredient. We're going to blend that and we'll add it later, and we will show you how to do that, okay, in the cooking session. Over here we also have dry salted catfish, and we also have chicken. So we have 2 types of dry salted catfish here. You can use any dry salted catfish of your choice. For our vegetables to throw in, we have only aubergine or bitter tomato and habanero pepper. That's the only vegetable that we're using for this dish. We are done with all the preparations, okay? The pounding and the blending of the sorrel and the okra. So here we have the fish in the pot, and in there we're going to add in our blended ingredients and the vegetables that we have. So that goes in, and in here, remember we salted the fish, so we're not adding in any salt. We're only adding in the Maggi bouillon. 2 of the Maggi bouillon goes in, and a liter of water goes in. And we're going to now cover it up and let this cook until our ingredients are fully cooked. Our pepper soup has been boiling for some time now, 20-25 minutes. Our fish is cooked, so we're going to take those out, okay, and debone them. Now that our fish is out, we're going to add in the locust bean that we blended and the dry salted fish, okay. So that goes in at this time, and we're just going to drop it in there like that and let it boil and simmer down with our stew. Our pepper soup has simmered down a little bit. Now I'm going to scoop some of the juice, okay, just 2 of that, and let it simmer a little more, okay. This water that we just scooped is going to be used when we're dishing, so we're going to let this simmer a little more down before we add in our blended sorrel and the okra. Our soup has thickened now. You can see how thick it is right now. So this is how you want it to be before adding in your blended sorrel and the okra. So that goes in now. Mix it all together. So this is how it gets after you mix it. Now we're going to put in the fish. So we divided the fish. We only deboned the bonga fish and 2 of the red snappers. So that is what we added here. The remaining 2 we did not debone. We're just going to put that on our plate like that. There you have it. That's the end product of our rangha bisap. So remember, this is the pepper soup that we scooped out, and over here we have the dish. So we're having it with rice, and over here we have a little portion of rice, some of the rangha bisap or the kucha, and the red snapper that we set aside. So that's our Jola version of rangha bisap. You can have this like this. All you need to do is just put some of the sauce on the rice like so, okay. All right, and you can also have it with palm oil on the side, but I love mine just natural the way it is without any palm oil. But if you like some palm oil with it, you can also have some palm oil with it. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.